Hello everyone. I'm filming the way to my house. This is I won't say it's a shortcut, but it's a very beautiful way through the woods to go to my house. Konnichiwa. So I'm taking that, and you see these are the tall trees with the hydrangea flowers there. And let's keep following this path. You will love this. Right in between the mounds or small hills, most likely mounds. Yeah, it was raining last night, so it's wet. Then you see the greenery beautifully. So I usually take this route when it is not raining, because there are good chances that there may be a mudslide here from this very place, and there was the blue sign there says so, and I do believe, because this soil is looks like loose mud, can come down during heavy rains, or at least a part of it. Yeah, likely to happen. So at that moment, at those times when it's raining heavily, I take the other route to reach the station. So this goes on and on to where I stay. So let's turn back here one more time, and it looks like an entrance to the cave. So yeah, wonderful way to walk from the house to the station and back again. Sorry for the wobbly video. I'd been to the Jinja 2 stations away. It was my first time going there, as everything is in Chiba for me. Having arrived just more than a week ago. Yeah, so I will stop filming as soon as we bend this corner, because there are all houses here, and I don't want people to start wondering why a foreigner is filming. So just a little bit further and I'll stop. So today is a Sunday, a nice cloudy day. May rain later. Yeah. So we are just about to come to an open field. I don't know what that field is, what is growing there. Demo. It feels nice. This whole area feels very nice. It is the countryside, and the place that I had visited just now to go to the shrine was much more countryside than this. Okay, I'm going to stop filming here.